Hello my lovelies and welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be all about makeup brushes. Let's face it, if you're using makeup, you're definitely going to need brushes. There's so many brushes on the market. As a beginner, you're going to want to know exactly the different types of brushes and what they are used for. Whether you are interested in becoming a makeup artist or you just want to wear makeup on a day-to-day basis to look your absolute best, makeup brushes are most essential to your makeup kit. This video is definitely going to help you out, so stay tuned.